Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I'm so excited for the paper pumpkin to arrive because this is a super cute kit called You Are My Anchor. So I have a feeling there's probably a little bit of a nautical theme to it. But this is the April 2018 paper pumpkin kit. So again, it is called You Are My Anchor, and let's pop this open and see what's inside. Ooh, so the color is Island Indigo. I'm not surprised that it's not a, or that it is a blue or green color because it is, I think, probably nautical themed. And I am right. There's that fabulous anchor. There's a lighthouse. There's a starfish, a little, I don't know, what do you call one of those things? That's like the steering wheel to a big ship. Little sailboat, a smaller anchor, a heart, some waves, two different styles of waves, and then there's greetings that say, "You are my anchor, for you, ahoy, congratulations, you're a lifesaver." Oh, I like that greeting a lot. "Adventure awaits," and thanks. So those are a lot of really good greetings to use for all occasion, but also to use for the kit. So I love how paper pumpkin, after a year of paper pumpkin, you have like a nice collection of greetings, and that you can just add to it with everyone that comes after that. So I always find that I go back to my paper pumpkin whenever I need something special that maybe I don't have in a specific stamp set, like a specific holiday or something like that. Or since I live in the Midwest in Illinois, so I really don't get too attracted to like the beachy themed stamps, just because I feel like I don't live near that area, even though I wish my toes were in the sand and the sun was shining down on me. So I'm not usually attracted to those stamps, but these are super cute, so I can use them for a lot of great man cards and other things too. Look at all of these cards. It looks like there's 1,000,001 cards in this kit. I'm super excited. So let's open this up. I'm loving the color combination with these too. So there's, this is like a linen thread, but it's like super thick. So it's like 2 to 3 times the normal linen thread thickness. It's more like a, I think that's what they call jute, right? Isn't that correct? Maybe I'm wrong. Little mini Stampin' Dimensionals. You know how much I love my Stampin' Dimensionals and the little minis on a little mini square. Last month it was that giant square of the normal size dimensionals, and this month just a little square of baby ones. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the little envelopes. These are like Pool Party and Island Indigo. I'm loving the color combination with this. Pool Party, Island Indigo, and Coral. So there were 7 of those. There's also 7 of these too. See, there are 1,000,001 cards in this kit. There are 7 of these coral ones, and there's little anchors on the inside flap of these. So is that 21 cards? That is super, super fabulous. These are, I'm not really sure. These are little collars. They're like fairly thick. We're definitely gonna have to use the instructions on that, but there are 4 of those, maybe boxes. And then here's all of our card fronts. The coral, the blue stripe, and then this has like little anchors, kind of like the inside of the coral ones. So, and they're all white on the inside. So that's just the outside of the card. Oh wait, here's some more. And these have that fabulous gold foil. And then a little scallop there on the bottom. Oh, we have even more. These are like a blue scallop, both Island Indigo and Pool Party, very light and thin. And then 2 little hearts down there, so those are super cute. And then now we have boxes. Oh, okay, so I think I'm understanding a little bit more now. Ooh, the boxes are already pre-scored and they have adhesive. So these are super easy to fold together like that. And then peel off the adhesive. This is one of those instances where it's like, I think I need more than 2 hands And so then it goes just like that. Let's go ahead and peel the adhesive off of this one to build this box. Super cute. And then I'm guessing, oh yeah, it does fold. I didn't want to do something that I shouldn't. So then there's your little like box collar sort of thing that goes right over it. Super cute. I wonder if these are to add the little note cards in to either store or to give as a gift, because that is a super, super cute idea. Those are adorable. So then now we have oodles and oodles of sheets of labels. Oh, here's some more little glue dots. And then there's all these gold accents. Tags, bigger tags, little golden hearts and circles. These actually have a hole in them, so they're like a tag to probably tie onto the box. Because see, they have the little hole. 2 full sheets of all of that. I have found that it's easier to stamp in the sheet than it is to pop them all out and then try to stamp on that small little thing, which is why I don't like to pop them out here on the video, or I'll pop out like 1 or 2 just to kind of show you guys, but I don't like to pop all of them out. Oh wait, oh my gosh, there are a million sheets. I guess with 21 cards, you do need a million sheets. So there are 4 total sheets of all of those labels there. And then these, are these stickers or... These are die cuts. There's 2 sheets of the die cuts with the anchor and the lighthouse and the little life-saving raft, or not really a raft, but inner tube there. So super, super cute. I can't wait to put this kit together. Of course, I'll be posting pictures of the completed kit on my blog, laurastamppad.com, and you can always check out past Paper Pumpkin kits whenever I post the link down below. It'll have like all my past put together kits already there. So you can check those out, since I know it's a surprise every single month. So if you want to kind of get an idea of what they have been in the past, then that kind of helps. So there's everything for the April 2018 Paper Pumpkin kit. Super, super cute. It makes 21 cards and 4 boxes, which is a lot of goodie. And that is so amazing. Also, you can still use the promo code SAVE500418. I will put it down here as well as a link down below. You can use that code to get half off your first 2 months. So you would be getting May and June at half price. So imagine getting all of this stuff here for $10. How amazing is that? So it's the stamps, the ink, and then everything else is consumable, but stamps and ink for $10, that is a steal. Super, super fabulous deal. A great way to try out Paper Pumpkin, see if you like it. Of course, you can always cancel at any time, so no worries there. So again, I'll put that code in the comments below in the description box and a link so that you can get signed up and try out Paper Pumpkin yourself. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.